This tutorial discusses how to set products as downloadable. These settings allow users who have placed an order to obtain their print output file directly from the accounts area of an Infigo storefront. Administrators have the ability to define advanced options such as the number of possible downloads and the quality of the provided downloadable file. We'll also discuss other capabilities such as the option to provide sample download files on a product landing page. So we'll begin on a newly created product. And then the downloadable product options are located within its product variant settings. So go to the product variants tab and click on edit. Make sure you're on the info tab and then scroll down and you're looking for a checkbox option which says downloadable product. Checking this will reveal a load of more other associated options. Now I'll just work my way down this list and talk through what kind of capabilities we have. So we do have two options for specifying which file will be made available for download upon placing an order. By clicking Use Download URL, you'll see that our subsequent settings change a little bit. And using this, we're able to directly provide a URL of a file which we've uploaded to other areas within our Infigo system. So for example, we could have uploaded a file to the CSS override area of Infigo. They will appear down here. And then once they're created, they will have an associated URL. That URL can be input into this location here, and then that will be utilized as the downloadable product. Our second option for providing a file for download is by manually uploading into this specified product. So if we have Use Download URL deselected, we then have the option to upload file. Click Upload and then select the relevant file from your machine. It will be added to the product with additional options made available to download a copy of the file if you wish to do so, or remove the file from the product. The next option down is download and print. Now, by enabling the downloadable products options, we automatically assume that the file will not go through the regular print processes. This is things such as sending the print output file to a specified hot folder. If we wish for the product to be both downloadable and printed, so sent to a hot folder which is already linked, then you can check the download and print box, and that will ensure that the output file is still sent to the hot folder, despite also being downloadable to the end user. The next option down is to select a download type, and there are several available options for the download type, providing different levels of output file resolution and locked states. So just to talk through these briefly, we have normal, so customers can download the PDF in full resolution and it's not locked. We have low res, so customers can download the PDF in low resolution, and again, it's not locked. We have print locked, so customers can download the PDF in full resolution and it's locked. And then low res and print locked, customers can download the PDF in low resolution and it's locked. And then we also have a web optimized version there as well. Now, scrolling down a little more, you'll see that we have these unlimited download selections. So we can specify whether the customer who has ordered the product has an unlimited or limited number of downloads. If it's not unlimited, we can deselect this, and then we can specify the max number of downloads. Next down is number of days. So if the downloadable file should only be available for a set number of days, you can specify it in here. We have download activation type. So this option gives the administrator the ability to specify when a file becomes available for download in a user's account area. So the two options that we have here are either when the order is marked as paid, or you would have to specify it as downloadable manually. We also want to draw your attention to sample download file. If I check that, you'll see we get another couple of options available. It works the same way as the download file up here in terms that we can use both the URL and a manually specified upload file. So what this gives you the ability to do is to upload a sample download file which will be available from the product landing page without having any order taken place. So for example, this could be a low res or a watermarked version, just so somebody can get some kind of understanding of what the eventual output file is going to be. So I'm just going to say has sample download file, and I'll just upload one. And then finally here we have direct download. So this is the number of times the product has been downloaded. Okay, so let's go ahead and save those changes that we've made. And then let's take a look at how these settings function on the front end of our storefront. So what I'm going to do is begin by navigating to our sample products landing page. You can see a link is immediately available, allowing our users to download the sample file that we've specified. And then for the actual downloadable product, which is only available after they've completed their order, so I'm just going to go ahead and add this to basket and then proceed through my checkout process. Once that order's been placed, still logged in as the customer here, I'm going to go to the My Orders section, which by default is under the My Accounts tab. Locate the order in which this product was present, and then you'll see that underneath its particular entry, you've got the ability to download the associated file.